Hi, my name is Aaron, and I've been with Spit since 2006. And I'm going to talk about our journey to being performers that have sold out shows. Ang yabang! I was looking at our comments, and I saw that there are a lot of people that are very annoyed and pissed that they weren't able to get tickets because they were sold out in less than an hour. As happy as that makes me and the rest of the group, you have to understand how we started. I joined the group in 2006, and back then we were performing in a venue called Magnet Katipunan that sat maybe 20 people max. And there were times that we would perform, and we, the performers, were more than the audience. Maybe it was an audience of 4 people, but we still did the show. We sat in the audience when it wasn't our turn and clapped and laughed, because we really enjoyed what we were doing. For a long time, we actually thought that this wasn't something that we could make money from. This is just something that we really enjoy. So we continued doing it for years and years. And up until last year, we were still having a hard time having people come to watch us. There was a time when I was doing marketing based on the news that came out that day. Sometimes it would be political, sometimes it would be about basketball, just so that people will say, oh, Aaron's posting about basketball. Ay, may show pala sila. I'd like to assure everyone that we are fixing what needs to be fixed so that everything can be handled more smoothly. But again, you have to give us time. This is the first time people have been wanting to see our shows at this capacity. I will say some good news though. If you still haven't been able to get a ticket, or if you haven't seen our shows, Spit is not going away. Spit is a group that's sort of committed to do improv until the day where we don't want to do improv anymore. As a group, we also take measures to keep our group bonded. Sabi nga ni Thea, puhunan namin ang pagiging magkakaibigan. So again, if you want to see us one day, you will, for sure. Just keep hitting the refresh button. And thank you so much to everyone who stayed up and bought tickets. Don't get mad at us. This is new for us too. Thanks, everyone.